180, 30 frames per second. This is the newer DJI camera. I didn't set it up yet. We in the pool. David, I can't let go of you. You don't know how to swim. Look at David, no floating. Just put one. Give me hands. Turn around. Alright, kick your feet. Go ahead, kick your feet. Act like you know how to swim. You can't swim without daddy. Look at him. Trying to swim without daddy. Yeah. Yeah. You don't got. I left this floaty at home, so you gotta learn how to swim today. 3, jump. Oh, okay. Okay, daddy got you. Okay. Okay. Almost drowned because you don't listen. 3, 2, 1, jump. Okay, you gotta learn how to swim, dude. You just jumping. This kid's fearless. This fearless kid. Look at you on the day. Say hi. Say cheese. Okay, let me get you over here. Stop trying to let go of my hand. You don't know how to swim. You can stand up here. All right. Right here. Daddy's here. Daddy's here. Jump. See? Why you keep pushing away like you know how to swim? You almost drowned twice. He almost drowned twice in this little episode. I got my baby and my baby. I got my David and my baby. You getting nervous?
Why are you freaking out? You got this.
You got this, buddy. I don't know who I was recording just now because I was.
You got it. You got it.
Yeah, you got this, buddy. Now you don't got it because you put your feet out. Hold on. Okay, get your feet in. Hold on, get your feet in. Like that, so you can swim now. Go ahead. There you go. Look at David and mommy. Swimming in 2K. I would have put 4K, but it takes so much space.
Look at him.
Look at you. There you go.
Yes?
Yes, you're swimming good. I'm trying to get your feet because you like kicking. Oh, why you gotta change it? Why you gotta move it? There you go. Cause you know what's up. I heard that. We heard that on camera. David's still trying to breastfeed. Look at David. Hey, David. Say cheese.
Hi, cheese.
Say I love you. I love you. Say I love you. I love you more. This is the pop one?
Yeah, it looks like it. But it's good though.
No, it's not good. It's going to end up going deflating.
I know, all that work I did.
I know. And that's it for this. Nope. 1, 2, 3. You go. You're going underneath water. Keep alright, because you're going to fall. It's about to fall right now. Yeah, until you so drowning almost, because you jumped. There you go.
Look at the big old iguana over there.
Yeah. Oh, look at the big iguana.
This one too. Well, I mean, it's used for what we're used to.
If you go out there, there's so many like this.
Oh, wow.
You live in Florida too?
Yeah.
What part?
Well, I used to live in Jacksonville, now it's Tampa.
Oh, we probably in Tampa. There's not big ones like that there. Look at David easing his way into. Ooh. Oh, this scared me. I thought he was gonna fall in head first, but he's got this. No.
I need to get him the arm floaties.
I know, man.
He can swim with them. He just needs something to
Keep him afloat. Yeah.
He got the motion and everything.
Yeah. He's well, cause I kept teaching him like, I was like, okay, I'll let you go. I'll let him drown sometimes. Joking, I didn't let him drown like times. Do 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 do. Cause you know what's up. Say what? Say what? Say what? Only a minute and 18 seconds. We're about to cut this short. I am going to do the dead man float.
I'm not going.
This is how you do it. It's how I do it.
Stay on this.